Project was approximately 20 blocks, replacing aging infrastructure, replacing streets, curb and gutter, and sidewalk in places where it needed to be replaced.
It started out as being only 16 blocks. It got 4 blocks tagged onto the west to extend a new storm sewer main all the way to an outfall. Basically, when we started looking at the corridor, it all needed it.
It was different than what I've worked on. It was there were a lot of construction challenges. With the right-of-way, there wasn't a lot of room, and some of the storm sewer was extremely deep, 23 feet in some places. So it was kind of a cramped construction site. One of the unique things we found when we were constructing 19th Street, we were replacing the water mains, and as we dug them up, they were old cast iron pipes, and we found date stamps on them, so you could see, how old the infrastructure was.
From the surface, you don't see a lot of what went into the ground, but it turned out really nicely. I think it's a really good finished product.
Honestly, one of my favorite things about the project was we did bore under the railroad, 23 feet deep, the storm sewer under the railroad, and a 24-inch transmission line for water under the railroad, and it was actually really fun to watch that happen. One of the reasons for the repair of 19th Street, the street itself was in bad shape, but it was built originally with extremely steep crown on it. I would guess 6 or 7% crown. So the city wanted to reduce that to a 2 to 3% crown, something more manageable. Also, in the more residential parts of the street, the ADA ramps, some of them didn't even have ADA ramps, they were just curbs, so they needed to meet those requirements in all the corners. So we replaced all the ADA ramps along the entire corridor of 19th Street.
There's so much more to a road than what's on the surface. What's underground is every bit as important and usually twice as complicated.
It was a really great team effort. Everyone came together and pushed the project through and got it done.